Hey guys, what is up? What is going on, my friends? Guys, I had a problem with my speakers here. I got the Fluid Audio C5. These speakers here, guys, are for music production, but I also like to use them, and they're also for video editing production, but they are not rated for gaming. And when I say they're not rated for gaming, there's nothing on the box or anything that says that they're good for gaming. But guys, I decided to buy the speakers here and get them for gaming and for video editing with my, my computer back here, hook them up and whatnot. Guys, I have to look at the little monitor there. So so I don't look so weird, I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses so I am sure that I am in focus. I hope that I'm in focus. I have a little screen like that, the camera screen. But anyway, guys, my monitors here, guys, every time that I launch a game, I was having this buzzing sound like this. Bzzz. Why don't I just play the clip? Alright guys, so that was the clip, that was the sound that was coming from my speakers here. I contacted some of my friends. We did some troubleshooting together, guys, and the problem still persists. So I said, what the hell is the problem? So I went ahead and I unplugged the speakers here after trying everything out there on the internet. After Googling and everything out, guys, nothing seemed to fix my problem. So what I end up doing is I went ahead and test this mixer here with the computer and everything, and I ran the cable to my monitors back there. As you can see on back there, there's one, and here's the other one. Here's the name of the speakers here, guys. So you can read them right here. I really forgot the name, brain fart. But I know they're the Yamaha, I think HS80M or something like that. I bought them a long time ago. Beautiful, beautiful performance. Beautiful monitors, they look badass anyways. So these new ones here, guys, I got them, like I said, I was having this problem. And I did everything I could. I mean, there's tutorials out there on how to get rid of that sound coming to your speakers, and nothing seemed to fix my problem. What I end up doing, guys, and I'm going to show you guys right now, right here. Okay, guys, so this was my solution. If you can see this right here, guys, I was having ground problems. So what I did, I took this thing out, the thing that sticks out like that here, the ground, okay? This is negative, this is negative, this is positive. So you don't mess with those. But the ground, I was having ground issues. Very freaking annoying ground issues, guys. So I was like, what the hell am I gonna do? And guys, this was my fix. Now I don't have that ugly buzzing freaking sound on my speakers. Now take a look for yourself. Now, guys, I am sorry for that sound. I have to turn off my lavalier mic, okay? Go ahead and turn it off because it made a horrible sound in front of the speakers here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So they're on, okay? So now guys, as you can see here, the volume down on the mixer here, okay? And now the speakers are both turned on, and there's the game launching here. I mean, I couldn't even go to the menu of a game without having the freaking buzzing sound. It was so freaking annoying, and I'm sorry that I'm using the camera microphone, guys. My apologies. But anyway, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn up the volume here, okay? Wait. There it is. See? There's full sound. So guys, that is how I fixed this annoying problem that I had. Like I said, guys, I already had my speakers on Craigslist. I had them on OfferUp.com, and I was going to get rid of them because of the fact of that buzzing sound that would not go away. Like I said, I tried everything out there and nothing seemed to work. So guys, I am very happy, very excited that I get to keep my speakers. The sound quality is super amazing. It's just great. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like down below. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget that I upload frequently, take videos and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys next time.